So hello and welcome to another one of my walking films. Today I am in Macclesfield Forest, just looking here over Ridgegate Reservoir, and this is an area I've been coming to for many years, but there's still bits that I've never explored before, so let's go and have a look. Right, there's a car park up there, by the way, Trent Bank Ranger Station, but we're just literally going down here, and then just where you see those people walking to the left, we're going up there. It's like having Scotland on your doorstep. It's wonderful, isn't it? After 20 minutes, we're just gonna take a right here. It's an amazing wall, isn't it? Starting to open out now. The time of renewal, eh? Half an hour and just under 2k and nearly 150 meters of climbing. So we're just going to go straight on here. Right, you ready for a view? Now, we're not going to go up it, but this is just the turn into Shutlingsloe. I always just have a quick look across the moor just to see if there's anything interesting flying around. I'll put up, by the way, in the description just a link to one of my favourite Shutlingsloe walks. But today it's about doing something different, so I'm heading more to the northern end of the forest. There's a lot of tree management, forestry management that actually goes on up here, and just to give you an idea of some of the wildlife, I mean, I've seen red deer up here and kestrel, hen harriers, black grouse, and just like what I'm doing today is trying to keep it on a much flatter, straightforward path. Nothing difficult, but as you can see, the views we're getting are absolutely stunning. It's what I call Pink Floyd lighting today. It's just absolutely wonderful. The views just keep on coming. The Cat and Fiddle pub is just over there, and what a wonderful day. Just really does feel like another world. Talking of which, I just do that and you see the white thing in the middle, that's Jodrell Bank. That's listening to other worlds, the huge radio telescope. So the Valley of Wild Boar Clough is just down there, hence called because it was one of the last places where wild boar existed in England. Obviously that's changed even in my lifetime now with reintroductions, but that's a beautiful walk unto itself. Okay, so just approaching now Standing Stone car park. So rather than taking a left as I often do, I'm going to go down here. This is known as a quiet road, just obviously take care, but yeah, this is new for me. That is just Shining Tor, pretty much the highest point in Cheshire. So just a stat count, hour and a half up to now, about 4 kilometres, absolutely not in a hurry. Amazing. Right overhead, Kestrel. Ah, boom, there you go. My wildlife moment. Left here to Forest Chapel. Oh wow, Forest Chapel. Oh, what an amazing spot. So this is St. Stephen's, which was built in 1693 initially, then it was rebuilt towards the end of the 19th century. Wonderful. I always feel wrong doing this, but ooh, it's open. I always feel a bit odd opening the door into a church like that. But it's open, wow. What a beautiful little place. Oh, it's just Remembrance Sunday today, so that's really nice. I always still feel a bit funny coming into churches, but honestly, I was in Jerusalem in the Church of the Holy Sepulchre only about 3 weeks ago, so I should be cleansed. You just walk out and just check that out. Wow. That was an unexpected gem. Straight on down the road here. Ah, there's some cracking views coming out now. But then again, we are still over 1,300 feet. Just the fitness aspect of this walk, I tell you what, you're doing a heck of a descent here, and that's supposedly better than you're going up, so wonderful. More like Oregon now, isn't it? What an amazing day. The view's just opening out again. There's a lovely look over Teg's nose and down over Macclesfield, the Cheshire Plain. You wouldn't believe you're in Cheshire. I've just slowly been ambling down this lane for about 40 minutes and it just doesn't disappoint. So just about to turn left back to where I'm parked next to Ridgegate Reservoir. That was 3 hours and just under 8 kilometres. But you know what? It's been absolutely wonderful. So thank you very much for coming with me to Macclesfield Forest.